Hi, good morning, friends. So today we have gone over how to change the beginning sound of a word to make a brand new word. We're going to take this first word right here, which says jar, jar. I'm going to look at these pictures over here. I'm going to find a jar right here. You're going to move the picture next to the word. If we look over here, we have the same word except the first sound is not a J anymore. It changed to a C. K. That's the sound it's going to make. K. Car. I'm going to look over here for a picture of a car. Once you find that picture, you can move it next to the word, and we've got a match. Jar and car. They're the same word except the first sound went from a J, to a C, K. So I'm going to have you do the rest by yourself.